XRP partner China. XRP may rise to $2,000. This year, the crypto market is dominated by non-refundable tokens, or NFT. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies at the moment has a lot of problems with the Securities Commission right now. But more recently it became known that Ripple can count on the support of the Chinese government. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. In this form, we will consider the current price of XRP. Interesting news related to this cryptocurrency. Current price forecast for XP. The long wick on the Ripple or XRP candle on November 15th shows that the bears were selling on the ascents to the upper resistance at $1.24. Sales accelerated on November 16th, and the bears returned the price below the moving averages. If the bears keep the price below the moving averages, the XRP-USDT pair may challenge the strong support at $1. The 20-day EMA started to decline, and the RSI dropped into negative territory, indicating that the bears have a slight advantage. A breakout and a close below $1 can raise the price to 85 cents. This level may act as a strong support again, but if it cracks, the next stop may be 70 cents. Conversely, if the price breaks above the moving averages, the pair may rise to $1.24. Bulls will have to push and maintain the price above this level to signal a return. The live XRP price today is $1.08 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,243,000,000 USD. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.03% in the last 24 hours. According to the Russia Today TV channel, China, Russia and India intend to abandon the SWIFT money transfer system and create their own network of fast payments using their existing electronic payment systems. Now many in the Ripple community are pinning their hopes on the fact that the new payment system of the three largest countries will use XRP to provide sufficient liquidity. RT says that the Russian SPFS payment system is going to connect to the Chinese CIPS payment system. India does not have such a system yet, but local specialists are working on its creation. India also intends to connect to the Russian system of transnational payments. Russia started working on SPFS back in 2014, when the United States announced the possible disconnection of the country from SWIFT. The first tests of SPFS took place 2 years ago. Russia, China and India will create an alternative to SWIFT to connect 3 billion human. Do you think China plans to introduce a quantum financial system together with XRP to provide global liquidity? China is coming. Get ready. You will become a part of the financial industry. God bless you. Back in 2017, representatives of the Central Bank of China, scientists, and CEOs of companies met with Ripple executives, and the hopes of Ripple supporters have apparently been living ever since. However, that was a time when China itself was a recognized center of the global crypto industry and mining, and the ban on cryptocurrencies and ICOs had not yet been announced. China is now determined to launch its own digital currency, which is called the digital yuan or Chinese coin. Back in 2018, it was suggested that officially this currency could be called DCEP. Amid high sales, MicroStrategy Incorporated announced the acquisition of an additional $10 million in Bitcoin at an average price of $43,633, which increases total assets to 92,079 Bitcoins for $2.251 billion at an average price of $24,450. Today, China has introduced a new ban for financial institutions and payment companies to provide services directly related to cryptocurrency transactions, and specifically warned Chinese investors about the dangers associated with cryptocurrency trading. Banks and online payment channels cannot offer any services related to cryptocurrencies, such as registration, clearing, trading, and settlements. Moreover, institutions cannot provide cryptocurrency products, services for storing and pledging cryptocurrencies. The ban does not prevent individuals from owning cryptocurrencies. XRP is also under the influence of the general fall in the market, and at the moment reached a minimum of $1.36, but by now it has lost only a little more than 3% in the last 24 hours and is trading at $1.46. Yesterday, XRP Ripple tried to break out of the triangle by breaking up, but against the background of a massive sale, it failed. Repeated testing of the $1.66 level indicates that a breakdown may occur soon if the market becomes less volatile. The XRP price should close the daily candle above $1.76 to confirm the uptrend. The immediate resistance in the subsequent growth will be the April maximum at $1.96, which will be immediately followed by the psychologically important $2 and a 61.8% Fibonacci retracement from the 2018 to 2020 fall by $2.08. Taken together, the three levels present a serious problem for a bullish scenario. Successfully overcoming the resistance at $2 puts the XRP price in an excellent position to test a 78.6% pullback from the 2018 to 2020 drop of $2.61, which is 70% higher than the price at the time of writing. The potential for a positive resolution of the case between the SEC and Ripple, combined with rumors of an IPO after this case, led many investors to focus on a record high of $3.30. This year, other cryptocurrencies have proven that historical highs can become a powerful magnet for the price. The bearish alternative for Ripple starts with a break below the lower trend line of the triangle at $1.30 and the Ichimoku cloud. However, the downside may be limited by the tactically important 10-week simple moving average at $1.16 and the critically important $1. An unknown wallet transferred $100 million to Ripple, but the market remained calm. One of the whale alert systems reported an anonymous wallet that transferred about $100 million worth of XRP to the centralized Bitham exchange. The fate of the traded XRP has not been disclosed. The market has not yet reacted to the massive transaction, which can greatly affect the price of the coin compared to the average daily volume. The current tracked volume is stored on Binance in the amount of 167 million XRP. A sell order of 88 million XRP can change the course of the market in a matter of seconds, which is about 50% of the total daily volume. Over the past 10 days, XRP has lost 19% of its value compared to the local peak it reached on November 9th. But at the same time, Ripple has been moving in an uptrend since the end of September and has reached new maximum lows in 58 days. The general correction in the cryptocurrency market affected both Bitcoins and other altcoins. Experts say that the main reason for the correction is purely technical, since in the medium term the market was heavily overbought. Do you think XRP will be able to keep this level? Write your answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.